What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video we will be embroidering a t-shirt. I already have everything hooped. I'm not gonna say it was a difficult process, but it was just a process to get everything together. In another video I will try to show how I hooped it, but for now everything is already hooped. All we have to do is get started. And just a quick glance over to the right, if you do see that candle lit, man, the smell is amazing. It is from Sevenfold Lights. Go check them out on Instagram. I will leave the link in the description below. I'm telling you, it lights up the room. It smells amazing. But on the other note, let's get into this video. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start to put my t-shirt in. Let's see. There's all different types of ways of doing it, but this is personally just my way. So go ahead and fold this back. You can see where it will get hooped. Slide everything through. Okay, so that's down. I do have to change my top thread, so I will be doing that soon. And I can show you guys. I don't know if I showed you before on this machine, just changing my top thread. So, but yeah, just make sure there isn't any excess t-shirt that's under it. You don't want it to get snagged or even caught under it with the undersew. So okay, and I do have some clips. They're not huge. I do want to get some bigger clips that will make the shirt hold and not get in the way a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to put these small clips on in just a second. All right, so I have a couple of them on, but once again they are small, not holding up much, but I guess it's gonna do for now. So what I will do is go ahead and change this top thread. I can't show that part. First color will be like a goldish color, so I'll just click that, pull this out from the bottom. One to two to three, up to four. And this part, I like to just put the pressure foot down just to get it a solid hold. 5 to 6, and then 7, and 8 to 9, and perfect. Yep, all good. Alrighty, now let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and press this green button right here and get it started. Worry about that little white mark. That was just me trying to adjust the area and mark a good spot to start in. This is for a client as well. This is their personal logo. I did a couple of embroidered shirts, but not this way. So I've been looking and searching for new methods and ways to do it. So this is one of the methods that I found out right here. That watching the video, it worked personally effectively, just for my liking. So that's the reason why I did go with this. Let me go ahead and clip this jump stitch. All right. But yeah, the client's logo that I am doing and stitching out right now, she also does most of the things that I do, which is sublimation and vinyl with the t-shirts. So go check out her channel. I will leave her Instagram in the link below. So go check her out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this jump stitch as well. There and there. Perfect. All right. Push that back down. We get it moving. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to cut this small jump stitch. Right. Get it started. Alrighty, all finished with that. On to the next color. So now, just getting into the various colors that's in the inside of the swan. It's three more colors. And after that, that will be the gold stitching at the bottom. Coming out great, looks dope. Next color. So the shirt is all done. Looks great. Actually looks amazing. It's just some parts that we'll need working on. I'm definitely going to the software and look at it. But yeah, so far, like I said, everything came out great to me. I am gonna get a closer look on it, so stay tuned. All right, YouTube, show me some love, man. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I know we're at the end of the video, but I gotta say it regardless. If you haven't done so, please hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and always thumbs up the video. I appreciate it. You guys are the best. Once again, it looks great. It looks amazing. So without further ado, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And until next time, stay blessed and always continue to strive for greatness. Peace out.